Hi guys, welcome to Rene's Pizza Place. I got my new oven from Gozney. You can use wood, you can use gas. It looks so stylish. I also got this amazing stand from Gozney. It's really easy to assemble, looks amazing. Finally, the moment has come. Let's do it, guys. Let's open the new oven. This is it! Woohoo! Okay, so we unboxed the oven. Now we need to move it to the stand. Before you lift it up, you just literally close the wings. Yeah! I was curing my oven for 30 minutes on low heat, low flame. Then I crank it up for full flame for another 10 minutes or so. So we are now at 460 degrees Celsius in the middle of the stone. Let's make some pizza. I have like 50 hours fermented sourdough pizza and I can't wait to finally make some pizza in this new oven. Dropping in, first pizza. Nice, it's baking very nice. And I can't believe how much space is inside the oven. A lot of space. Look at this, how nicely it's baking. Oh my god, oh my god, it's done. I think pizza is done. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! Puffy. Crunchy on the same time, baked evenly underneath. Perfect. This was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. This oven is a beast. I like it how it's built, how fancy it looks, how much room you have inside for baking. It's really easy to rotate pizza. I'm not used to have so much space to rotate my pizza and checking on my baking. The temperature reader really accurate as well. I think this is one of my favorite ovens. I'm really stoked and I can't wait to make more pizzas with it.